Genetics. I am Gregor Mendel and this is my mother.
Guten Tag.
Heredity is the transmission of traits between generations. Genetics is the study of heredity. An allele is one of two genes that determines one trait. Traits are a characteristic of an organism. Homozygous is the pairing of two identical alleles, dominant or recessive. Heterozygous, two different alleles, one dominant, one recessive. The dominant allele dominates over the recessive allele in homozygous or heterozygous settings. The recessive allele recesses, it does not dominate in homozygous or heterozygous pairings. The dominant allele completely masks the effect of the recessive allele when in the heterozygous condition. For instance, we are both bald.
Incomplete dominance is when two homozygous genes, either homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive, produce an F1 generation of blended traits. That is, if you take a red flower and a yellow flower, it would produce an orange flower, a mix of the two traits.
Codominance occurs when both alleles are visible in the phenotype of the F1 generation. For instance, we cross un dominant red flower with un dominant yellow flower, and we get un striped red and yellow flower. And the example of codominance is blood. In blood, we have the allele IA combined with IB, you get allele IA-IB. Thank you for tuning in with us today. Hello, class of biology. It's Gregor Mendel and my mother, Agnes.
Oh, hello!
Hello. I think I laughed, so I'm going to stop. Genetic types and the common patterns of inheritance. This is my mother. Mother, would you please leave? I am busy right
You haven't eaten.
The science of genetics has ancient roots. Hello, this is Gregor Mendel.
It's time.
Gesundheit. Welcome to the Oh my goodness. Hello, Gesundheit.
Homozygous genes, homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive, blend together and create a blend.